Work gives you money, which is nice. You also get titles. Those things are great, but they're not the only things that matter in life. Money and labels can't make you happy. They simply get you an income. Unfortunately, many people find themselves playing out a role that they don't necessarily enjoy. However, there are many examples of people with beautiful careers, but don't understand the meaning of what they do. Hey everybody, it's Belinda. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your career more meaningful. Some people spend their entire life doing work that may be meaningful for others, but deep down, they don't truly understand the meaning of their own work. A fulfilling career leads to a more fulfilling life. I'm going to talk about some things that you can do to make your career more meaningful. You want to find work that benefits others. The ultimate indicator that a person finds meaning in their job is believing that their work positively impacts others. Now, most of the time, our work does impact others positively, but we don't feel that. We don't believe that. And the more meaningful the job is, the more rewarding it is. Now, I'm going to talk to some leaders. If you're a leader, let people know that their work benefits others. If you look at many successful leaders, you'll notice that they always look for opportunities to praise their employees. For example, they always ask people about their work on a day-to-day basis. They want to ensure that their people know they're doing good work. If you lead a team, always reward them with praise for their work. Leaders do this because motivation is essential. And when a team doesn't feel motivated, they'll leave. Now, when you're looking for a more meaningful career, you want to aim to become the best at your job. Pay attention to what you need to do and watch how successful people do it. Ask advice from people you respect on what skills you need to learn to be better at your job. Finding meaning in your career is all about true to yourself and not settling for less than your best. I'll see you at the next video. Hey, before you leave, I need you to subscribe. We need more rocket stars to land their dream job. Subscribe.